Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol DUST. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Overall, a very rough day here, and definitely some updates need to be done. First big update comes about based on just a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance, and that is exactly what played out here. So going into the day, this area right here around the $2.40 mark was considered an area of support. You can see it had done a great job of providing support, hence its name, to the price. But with the gap down this morning, at that point, according to the rule, you would expect it to act as resistance, and that's exactly what happened here. Price temporarily got above it, but as soon as it did, it basically just evaporated the momentum right from it, and then right back down the price went. And then even during the last 30 minutes here, where there was a big movement to the upside. Sure, the price didn't hit 240 exactly, but definitely still got within the general ballpark, general vicinity of that level. And that's ultimately what, rejected the price back down again. So point here being that if there is any sort of attempted movements back to the upside, $2.40 is going to be that first key area of resistance. And then from more of the overarching standpoint, you'll also want to continue to watch that purple line there, the 50-period moving average, which is currently valued at $2.50. As far as areas of support are concerned, now that we have more data, I'm going to go ahead and adjust this level. And the key dynamic here is, what direction is this adjustment needing to be made? And at this point, the level of support needs to be adjusted down here to $2.22. And does that mean that this thing's now going down to 50 cents? I'm not saying that. My point is that whenever levels of support need to be adjusted lower, definitely not the preferable situation, which is another one of those signs of just how, rough the overall day was, because not only did the price, have this level of support now turn to resistance, but now this level of support actually needed to be adjusted even lower than where it was. So all in all, a lot of work to be done. But it is a leverage ETF, so these things can recover pretty quickly. But if there is going to be any sort of recovery, again, it all goes back to breaking back above 240. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.